going to the Formosan Agricultural Culture Village. We are now entering the Formosan Aboriginal Culture Village. See you inside. Huts here at the gondola line. What is this? This is the Atayal tribe. The Atayal family house.
They just create this one, but after that. This is the original, but
It's a bird. It's a bird. Atayal weaving waterworks. The Puyuma, the Glory of Garland.
so we are in the highest part.